We're going to do one final example to kick you off into the worksheets so that you will be able to do them yourself. Okay. Let's try and be smart here. Let's have f of x equal to negative 2x plus 3. And let's have g of x equal to 2x squared minus 1. Okay. And the teacher is asking you to evaluate g of f of x minus 3 times f of x, like this. Okay, what in the world can this be equal to? Okay, so first I have my g of f of x. This means that this f of x I need to evaluate first. It follows this rule up here. I will get some number, in this case depending on x, and then I will have g of that comes out. So because this question doesn't involve any numbers, I just have my x's here, my answer will also contain an x. So this is a simplification problem actually. I cannot evaluate anything because I have no numbers to evaluate. Okay, so I have g of, instead of f of x now, I'm going to write negative 2x plus 3. Because f was, in essence, negative 2x plus 3. This was my f. Okay, close bracket. And then I have minus 3 times f of x again. Well, f of x, I need the brackets now because this 3 is multiplying the whole of f. So I have 3 multiplied by the whole of this guy. This is negative 2x plus 3. Okay, I did these brackets in blue now. If I want to follow the color code, the brackets themselves should be black. But okay, this is what we have. So now this is a problem to simplify. Okay, g of negative 2x minus 3, and this is where we start to, we need to pay attention. Some students are stumbling on this step, and I don't want you to do it. Pay attention that g of something, that's the g of something here, it's equal to 2 times that something squared minus 1. In our case, the input is negative 2x plus 3. So this means I will have a negative 2x plus 3 here instead of the x. So I will have negative 2x plus 3 here instead of that x. So I write 2 times input squared, this is my input, negative 2x plus 3 squared minus 1, like this. So please compare the pattern here. Mathematics is all about comparing patterns to each other. Here's my input, negative 2x plus 3. It's going into the function g. Compared with the rule of g, if my input is x, my g tells me that I need to square my input twice negative minus 1. So I'm going to take whatever input I have here, I'm going to square it, multiply it by 2, and take minus 1. That's all I'm doing. Even though it looks kind of weird, I am following the same pattern, the same rule. Okay, so I have negative 3. On this side, I have minus 3 times negative 2x plus 3. So I'm going to do that. Negative 3 times negative 2x, that's plus 6x. Negative 3 times positive 3, that's minus 9. So that part was a little bit, part was easier, let's say. Okay, I have a small simplification to do. Here, this guy here is equal to 2 times, and here, if you feel that this is difficult, pause the video and do it for yourself carefully, because this negative 2x plus 3 squared, you can rewrite it as negative 2x plus 3 times negative 2x plus 3, and you do the FOIL. This times this times that, the 3 times negative 2x, and the 3 times 9. So you can do this, all of these, yeah? And what will you end up with? Here, if you come back here, you will end up with 4x squared minus 6, no, wrong, minus 12x, yep, and then plus 9. Like this. This will be your answer. Okay, so do this carefully. Do all these steps, this foil here carefully, and you will end up with my answer. So this can be a good repetition exercise for you. And then you have minus 1. Well, minus 1 minus 9 is just minus 10. So I'm just going to write minus 10 plus 6x. Okay, we have one last simplification step to do. 2 times 4, that's 8x squared. Now I have 2 times negative 12x plus 6. 2 times negative 12, that's negative 24. Negative 24 plus 6 is negative 18. And then I have 2 times 9, which is 18, minus 10, which is 8. So there. This is my answer. And please remember, this answer contains an x because my original question contained x's. So this is a simplification problem, and this will be my answer. Please view this solution carefully. Some of you might feel like, what was that about? It's a little bit hard. You can pause the video, do it step by step. Don't worry, you have some time until the exams. So, yeah, good luck. Bye.